Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this precious spring banner. The burlap banner you see here I did buy from Walmart, but honestly, I couldn't have made this for $6.98, which is what I paid for it. The most important thing to do first is to plan out what you want the banner to look like and how you're going to put it all together. I guess you'd do that anyway, but especially with this, you need to count out your letters, make sure the word or words are centered, your ends are even, and you have a cohesive look. Well, I mean, unless you don't want a cohesive look, but sure you do. I suggest choosing a larger space than I have here to spread out the banner. And one word of caution, the triangles get turned around easily on the twine string, so be mindful of that. I'll show you how I helped myself monitor that in just a minute. The easiest way I found to make sure my triangles were right side up and to mark each place I put a letter, I made a tiny blue dot on each triangle. And because I was so afraid of being off center, I probably checked and recounted my end pieces 100 times. I just want it to be right? Once you know how you want to map out the banner, paint each triangle with Mod Podge. Seriously, don't skip this step. First of all, it stiffens up your burlap and makes it much easier to maneuver. And secondly, it weather protects the fabric if you decide to hang your banner outside. I did, but that's a different video. Be sure to Mod Podge along the edges of the triangles too. Those are raw edges, and they might start to fray if you don't. What you see here is how I dressed up the end pieces by using coordinating fabric. I cut each piece to size, hot glued it on the triangles, and used the wrong Mod Podge to seal over the top. Yep, I said wrong. What I mean is that I used the luster Mod Podge when I meant to use the matte finish. In the end, it'll be fine, but the luster gives off a sheen, as you can clearly see, and I don't like it. I much prefer the matte. Oh well. And I meant to show you the burlap letters I used to spell out the word spring. Obviously, I painted each letter. Then I hot glued one letter per triangle and Mod Podged over the letters. I love this spring banner with my whole heart, I really do. I can't wait to let you see it hanging up, and you will see it soon, I promise. If you enjoyed this video, try this one out for yourself. It's super easy and so cute. But thanks for watching, and if this is your first time stopping by, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And along with my regular subscribers, thank you all for supporting this channel. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Those likes and comments really help YouTube know I'm here. Thank you for all you do. Be safe, be blessed, be kind, but most of all, be crafty. See you next time.